How to access secure folder on Samsung. So I want to show you how to add files, apps to the secure folder on Samsung and also how to delete them and delete the whole secure folder. And also how to clone apps with the help of this feature. So let's get started. Firstly, we're gonna go ahead and open settings. And from here, scroll down until security and privacy. Now we are interested in the setting more security settings. So click on that and you will see secure folder. Let's choose it. And now we need to create it. So tap continue, then again, and now it is creating the secure folder. Basically, this is the space where you can store different type of data. For example, you can have your main Facebook account on your home screen, and you can have another in the secure folder and store different type of data in them. Also, you can have your Photos app, main Photos app, but in the secure folder you will have different Photos app with different stuff, different photos, so no one will be able to access it except you. This is really cool feature, like a second space on your device. So let's just wait a few seconds or minutes till this secure folder will be created. Great, now we can set a log type. You can choose between PIN code, password, or pattern, and additionally enable fingerprints. I'm gonna choose pattern, draw one, and then draw it again to confirm. Now it will suggest us to allow log reset with Samsung account. So click allow. In case you forgot your password or pattern, you will be able to reset it with the help of your account. If you don't have one, then this setting will suggest you to sign in, so just do it. Now click next, and you should see those apps in the secure folder, default apps. So, first thing we can do is we can add some files here. For that, click the three dots and choose Add Files. Select type of files you would like to add. I'm just gonna choose those one from My Files app and click Done. Now, if you wanna keep them in the original app, choose Copy. If you wanna delete them from the original default app and move here in the secure folder, choose Move. But if you decide to uninstall secure folder, those files will be deleted as well. So I suggest you to select Copy. And now I can open My Files app and find those two copied files. Let's just find them, and here they are. To remove from here, just press and hold the file, select, and then on the bottom choose Delete All or choose Move, and select where you want to move them. I'm gonna delete, and now I have no videos in secure folder. Now let me show you how to add apps here. For that, click the plus icon and choose app you would like to add. Let's say I want to add Facebook and then tap Add. So you can open it from here and sign in different accounts, and you will have two accounts of Facebook on your device. Let's go back, and if you want to remove it from here, just press and hold it and select uninstall. But don't worry, this app will not be deleted from your device. It will just be uninstalled from the secure folder. So don't worry about that. Just tap here, tap OK, and it will be removed from here. This is the way how you can clone apps. So you can have one Facebook account here and another in your main space on your home screen. And now let's tap on three dots once more. Here you can tap Customize, and you can customize your secure folder if needed. For example, we can change its icon as well as color and tap apply. Also, you can set custom name for this setting and it will be displayed on your home screen as well. So, if for some reason you don't see this featured secure folder on your home screen, then go back in the settings, go back in the same security and privacy, then go ahead and click on the more security settings, and from here choose secure folder. Now you should see section Add Secure Folder to Apps screen. So make sure to turn that on if you want to see it on your home screen and in App Library. You can customize some settings from here, for example, change your lock type, and in the settings you can uninstall this feature. So go in More Settings and tap Uninstall. Then also make sure to move media files out of secure folder if you don't want to lose them and click uninstall. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.